James. Good job. Good, you're doing good. You're doing good, Mr. James. Oh yeah, baby. This is beautiful. Wow.
Backwards. Yeah, see? See?
Backwards, really? I should walk backwards. Really? Should I go?
Or sideways. Straight.
Hello guys, James is practicing his casting skills. Nice. Good one. And James will start to swim.
After I feel like done doing this. I think 100 times 100 more than this. Then I'm done. Mama, watch out.
Nice.
It's surfing, look. It's surfing. Surf.
Surf.
Oh, Mama, we should have brought my surfboards.
Oh yeah.
The surfboards, remember the ones you got me
I know.
for my birthday?
Yeah.
What?
More.
More? Okay.
Whee!
I actually got one.
Cut what? Nothing.
Nothing. It's just my bobber and the weight. The bobber's heavier than the weight. No, the weight is heavier than the bobber.
Oh, wait. Somebody's there. I want some sunshine. Yeah.
Do you want to swim with me?
Yeah, later. I want to swim, of course. It's my favorite thing to do. Oh, watch out. Ready for a swim?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wait.
I don't know if it's recording. Is it?
Sonic? Oh! It's far, we'll go back. Yeah, it's too far. Too far. Too shallow.
guys. This is where we swim. It's so deep.
Mama,
Hey
help me.
everyone.
Help me.
James is floating on this deep lake. You having fun?
Yeah.
So much fun?
Yeah.
Nice.
Super duper fun.
Swim, swim, swim. Swim. Whoa.
I'm deep. Deep. I can touch the ground.
You can touch the ground? Whoa.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Because we're on a deep lake.
Ah, go back. Go back. Go back. Help. 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 I done.
And that's our boat.
I'm gonna catch fish with your hat.
Alright. We'll catch
catching
fish. Yep.
With your
Let's
hat.
go on the grassy place. We'll catch fish. Slowly. There. Look. You see? There.
One. Not even a single one. One. Go.
Straight.
Where? There. I didn't even catch a single one. How's it? Oh. One, please.
Get one? No?
Look, I'm gonna run.
Okay, can you run on the water?
Oh yeah, I'll float. I'll from here to there. It's actually working.
Are you running?
Yeah.
Run! Float! Relax on the water. Watcher.
I'm running.
Ay, Shokoy! Ay!
Look.
Ay, Shokoy!
I'm gonna walk all the way from here to you. Wait.
No, walk on the middle of the lake.
Oh.
Cannonball!
Oh yeah. Yeah.